Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana and welcome to the second episode of my I'm a Celeb series. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create Kate Middleton, aka the Duchess of Cambridge, popular hairstyle. This is the look you are going to be creating in today's video, and this is the perfect week to do this because not only have a few of you requested this look, but it was also her 40th birthday this week, so I'm pretty sure Kate is not going to be watching this, but if you are, happy birthday. This video also ties into another video request that I've had on my channel, and that is to show you what kind of look I would create if I was in between wash days. So I haven't washed my hair in about, I think it's been about 4 days. So this is the perfect look if you're in between wash days, your hair is starting to look maybe a little bit greasy and you want to create a nice bouncy look that your hair just looks fresh and looks alive. So let's get started. For today's look, we are going to be using the round brush in the Dyson Airwrap kit. You guys absolutely love whenever I do these tutorials with the round brush because I feel like this is an attachment that a lot of people don't use. They don't know how to use, they're unsure on what hairstyles to create, and I've said it before and I'll say it again, this is definitely the most versatile attachment in the Dyson Airwrap set, and it's also my favorite. I absolutely love it. So like I said, I think I'm on the third or fourth day of after washing my hair. I haven't done anything to my hair. Whenever I washed it a few days ago, I just blasted it with the hairdryer. I did smooth it out a little bit with the smoothing brushes. And I would recommend, if you are doing your hair from being freshly washed, or if before you do this look, your hair is looking quite frizzy and quite like kinked or wavy or curly, I would recommend giving it a quick smooth with the smoothing brush to try and get rid of a little bit of that frizz and also just to straighten it out a little bit. Okay guys, so we are going to start by sectioning our hair. So you're going to need a few things to create this look. You are going to need a hairbrush, some water, some heat defense, and some oil. I'm going to start by spraying the heat defense on first, and then you're going to brush your hair. That's just a quick little tip because I know some people brush and then spray the heat defense, and by spraying the heat defense first and then brushing, you're like smoothing all the heat defense all over the hair. So just a quick little tip. We want our hair to be slightly damp, so that is why we have some water. We are going to spray and dampen our hair. See guys, this is like I said, the third or fourth day after washing my hair, and like it hardly looks greasy. Well, like it doesn't at all. About almost a year ago now, I done like a full thing where I fully trained my hair so I could leave it so much longer before washing it. I think I used to wash my hair almost every other day. You see, now I wash it once a week, and recently I've been getting 10 days out of it, and even sometimes on the 10th day I'm washing it and I'm like, I could so get more days out of this because it's like not even greasy. So anyway, yeah, I'm just intrigued guys, how often do you wash your hair? Comment below, I'd love to know. That always intrigues me. With this look, it's kind of like the ends are like flicked out, and they're all kind of flicked out in different directions, and it's almost like it's got a little bit of a curl. So this round brush is going to be perfect at creating this. Now that you've dampened your hair a little bit, probably going to take like quite a thick section. Again, that's a great thing about using this round brush. I just feel like you can get away with taking thicker sections. You're going to have it on high heat and high speed. If you find it too hot, just put it on medium heat and just do a few more strokes, or just leave it a little bit longer. So guys, you're going to start by smoothing the hair out, getting rid of that frizz, making it straight, silky and shiny. Just wrap the hair around the brush and pull, making sure you're creating lots of tension. Then on the final few smooth outs, you're going to roll the brush a quarter way up the hair and hold for a few seconds. Repeat this a few times. Go, as you can see, that's created a nice big flick. With that piece of hair, I went like this. In this piece of hair, I'm going to go in the way because we want to create the flicks in different directions. Same thing on the next section, wrap your hair around the brush and smooth out a few times. Then on the final few smooth outs, roll the brush up your hair in the opposite direction. Perfect. Move on to the opposite side of your hair, do the same thing, making sure that each section you switch up curling the hair inwards and outwards. This is going to help with volume at the ends and make it look more bouncy. So guys, I am just going to now repeat the same thing through the next few sections of my hair, and then I'm going to show you what I do whenever I get to the top section. Because like I say, in every hair tutorial I do, the top section is the most important section. That's where we want to create volume. That is where we're going to part it so it looks like cakes. And that is where we're really going to curl around the front bits and really smooth everything out. Okay, so guys, I have worked my way through all the different layers of hair. We are now going to move on to the top section. So she does have her hair parted ever so slightly off center. So that is what I'm going to do. Oh, I think that's probably about right. I'm gonna throw all this behind. So if you are styling your hair and it's a few days after you've washed it and it's looking a bit greasy, you can use dry shampoo, but do not use it yet. You're going to use that at the end. Let's take this first little section, some water. And so we want to create some volume at the root. That is the most important bit whenever you're doing the top section. So instead of pulling the brush out the way whenever you're smoothing, we are going to pull up the way. Let's go. That's a nice little flip. Also, if your hair type struggles to hold styles, you can always set the curl at the end with a cold shot for 10 to 20 seconds. There we go, that is this side of the hair complete. We are now going to move on to this side. So guys, there we go. That is the finished look. I absolutely love it. To add a little bit more shine and a little bit more Duchess to it, we are going to put some oil in. So I've started using this Gigi Oil and it's so good. I highly recommend. You only need the tiniest little bit. Rub it into your fingertips and just lightly scrunch it and run it through your hair. Just to add a little bit of shine, a little bit of texture. If you have loads of flyaways, you can use it to get rid of your flyaways. So guys, this is the stage that if your hair is slightly greasy, you are going to spray the dry shampoo in the roots, and that's actually going to help create more volume. You can also spray it through the ends of your hair, again, to add more volume to the end. I'm personally not going to spray a dry shampoo today because my hair isn't really greasy, but like I said, this is the perfect time to spray that dry shampoo. Do not spray it before you style your hair because it's just going to dry it out even more and make it harder to style if you're in between washes. However, if you have quite flyaway thin hair and you struggle to get these types of hairstyles to hold, it might actually be worth spraying a little bit of dry shampoo pre-styling because that'll just help add a little bit of texture to your hair. If you have curly, wavy, frizzy hair like me, you do not really usually need to add any texture because there's already enough like grit and texture there to help hold this style. I hope you enjoyed creating this look. I hope that you too look like a Duchess after creating it. I absolutely love it, and this is absolutely always my go-to hairstyle. This is normally how I wear my hair on a day to day. Okay, I feel like she actually has like a piece of hair behind her ear, which I'm gonna do. I think that looks pretty cute. So there we go guys, that is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe because I will be uploading a new video to my I'm a Celeb series every week. If there is a particular celebrity hairstyle you would like me to recreate using the Dyson Airwrap, then please comment below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.